So today I've invited my very, very old friend since I know her, I think 1992. She's been a great inspiration for me, to be very honest. And whatever time I take out myself is just because of her, because she has been, as workaholic as I am. But the best thing about her is that she takes out time for her skincare and her body. And that's the main reason why I've called her today. She has had a great journey. She studied from NCA, IVS. She went to London College of Fashion to learn fashion. And she has been a stylist to so many celebrities, international movies she's done, like with Jackie Chan. She's done Nayab recently. She's done Lal Kabutar. And she has really performed so well in her career and a great inspiration, not just for me, but also for the upcoming generation, because she has recently started teaching acting. She herself has been a student at Anupam Kher Acting Academy. Please welcome Mariam Azmi.
Thank you.
Hello, Mariam.
Yeah.
How are you? Can I call you Manne? Because
Call
that's
me
what
Mani.
I call
And that was
you.
a very sweet and very nice intro. Thank you so much.
No
That was
worries.
nice.
So, Manne, like I mentioned in my intro, that I've been so really, really impressed at how, with such a busy schedule, you've been working in Dubai, you've been working in London, India, Pakistan, and you've always taken care of yourself, especially your, I don't think any of from our friend circle, koi bhi tumhare jaisa nahi dikhta. You don't look your age. Mashallah, you still look the same. Agar main tumko school ka uniform pehna दूं, you
Oh
would
my
still look
God.
like a ninth grader. Seriously. Yeah. So jokes apart, Manne, how do you, like, you've worked in so many countries like Dubai, London, India, Pakistan, and I have been noticing in all these years, along with your work, you actually have been taking out time for your skincare and your body. And so many times I've called you and you're like, I'm going to the gym now. I just got done. And then I see you hitting the gym. How did you do that?
So when I'm working, I think one of the reasons for me to choose this work, because with acting, I also felt like, I felt like I was just sitting around too much. That didn't really suit my style. I'm very like, like इधर-उधर भागने वाला इंसान.
Yes, yes.
तो एक तो obviously मुझसे scripts नहीं याद होती थी. I mean,
Yes.
freaking dyslexic, so that was like a major. I was like, okay, if I'm getting all these dramas and I'm on TV 7 days
Yes,
a week, but
yes.
like I'm just like literally palpitating कि ये 15 scenes मुझे घर रात के अपने 11 बजे drop कर दिए, कल सुबह आप आ जाएं, So I was just like, okay, this is not working. So, but with this, my job, it was really amazing because I was like literally 12 hours, I was in the mall, like running around, and even when at work, I would dress somebody and then I would be gallivanting ke idhar mein hum kahan pahadon mein kidhar hai kahan hai, I mean, just
Yeah.
So I think like that, choosing something which has movement is very important.
I always used to tell my producers whenever I was at the shoots, I would say, "Ek treadmill rakh dein, please, kamre mein."
Seriously.
So while you're doing other scenes, can at least me and my co-stars, we can at least use the treadmill because we get so tired sitting and waiting for our turn to come.
And then they're like, why are they not fair to this and that? We got patli hai, I mean, of course, you also have to facilitate them.
Oh, yes.
I mean, they don't facilitate you, right?
Absolutely.
I mean, like, abhi main sun rahi thi कि Ranveer, one of these guys, have a whole gym in a vanity.
Yeah.
Because they are there shooting for 30 days.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. I think that is something which is like very, very much missing. And that is why what I would do is that if I would do a film or I would be doing a TVC, especially with Jami, we would have to like, 30 दिन आप तो दुनिया से ही like पता नहीं ख्वाबों की दुनिया में चले गया he's just like serious guerrilla style shooting. So I would take a break. And I would always keep that in mind, that at the end of the day, what's most important is me. Right? Because आप किसी का मोहताज तो नहीं हो सकते ना. So always thinking 10 years ahead.
Yes. So because you've spent so much time at the shoots, I want you to tell me and my customers and the people who are watching, how did you cater to your skin? How did you take out time to look after your skin? Because shoots में इतनी lights होती हैं, कभी outdoor होता है, dust होती है, and also the change of weathers because you're
Yeah.
traveling from one city to the other.
Yeah.
How did you overcome that issue?
Sunblock. I always wore sunblock since I was in my 20s.
Mhm.
Also, like I think growing up in Dubai, I was very lucky that I was like using all the best products. I mean, who uses Christian Dior or Shiseido at such a young age? अब हम उसमें काम करते थे उधर जाके तो हमें मिल जाता था. Who can afford it? So, but I mean, I'll be honest. So I did start using very good products when I was young. But when I came to Dubai, I realized when I came over here, I realized that okay, obviously I couldn't afford all of that. So, but the good part was I was getting a lot of rest over here, right? So there's a lot of rest. So I think sleeping,
domestic
resting, yeah. अल्लाह का
Yes,
शुक्र है
yes.
जिए हजारों साल सब so like lots of water. I mean very simple things matter, you know, at the end of the
Little
day you'd be
changes.
surprised. You'd be surprised like having really good food, you know, including vegetables, dark fruits, vegetables, like हम सब ये सब लोगों को बात पता है.
Yeah,
सबको
absolutely.
पता है, करने की बात है.
ये अब पता है.
शायद ये
You
भी कह
see, when
सकते
you
हैं,
used to
yeah.
do it, I used to be like, oh, Mane is not eating biryani while I'm eating biryani. You know,
Yeah.
she's such a waste. I mean, why is she not enjoying life?
Yeah.
But that I realized later because I do hours and hours of electrolysis sitting on the chair. So when I started feeling a pain in my neck and my half side of my body starting getting numb, that's the time I realized, I think I should start the gym. You see? And then I recalled, you know, Mane is so fit just because she has been constantly taking care of herself. Unlike me, I started gym way much longer than you did.
I started when I was 20.
Yes.
I had a trainer.
Yes. So people, like you said, eating nuts or, you know, little changes in lifestyle, you know, a certain liter of water आप पिएं, आप छोटे portions खाएं, protein ज़्यादा खाएं.
Yeah.
That all
Like right
awareness
now,
came later, much later.
Right now, I just had like a lentil with palak.
Yeah.
That's a whole thing that I don't know what's called. With like 2 kebabs and literally 1 chamcha of rice. And I told you that I have to do my lunch and come.
Yes.
You know, so like prioritizing yourself. And I think as in our culture, it's kind of like inflicted on us that you know, तो अपना ख्याल बाद में रख लेना.
Yes.
Yeah, so I had a lot of siblings and it's so always like that, you know, I would just give everybody enough and then keep a little for myself, you know, and that's
Because
something.
you were the eldest. So.
I was the eldest, you know, so that's what I'm
And
saying.
one brother.
And one brother, you know, so like it also took me a lot to change my mindset. Ke, okay, I need to take care of myself.
Yes.
And it's okay and not feel guilt and shame.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So
Yeah.
you're taking care of ourselves, you know, prioritize yourself first. के much later हमारे ये जो awareness आई है हम सब औरतों में कि हमें अपना ख्याल भी रखना है. हम बच्चों का रखते हैं, भाई बहनों का रखते हैं, अम्मी अब्बू का रखते हैं, ससुराल का रखते हैं. So हमें अपना ख्याल भी तो रखना है. Like my mother, you know, always used to say, and I used to ignore her. I remember when my kids were small, she used to say, बेटा अपना ख्याल तो रखो, तुम सही होगी तो तभी तो तुम दूसरों का ख्याल रखोगी. I used to be like, अभी मैं जल्दी, you know, like I used to just run and say खुदा हाफिज़. But ये बात बहुत बाद में समझ में आई.
Seriously.
So tell me something, because you worked with so many celebrities, Mane. What changes do you see from now to now? I mean, from then to now, कि how have their skincare routines have evolved? Because you've worked with the celebrities past 30 years now.
Okay, so honestly, the skin used to be very questionable back
Yeah.
then. Yeah, it was questionable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also because there wasn't any, इतना वो भी तो नहीं था ना, इतना access नहीं था. There weren't so many aesthetic clinics at that time.
Yeah, not at all. And I think now because it's slightly affordable, so everything has pro and cons, right? Like पहले जो था एटलीस्ट जो सारे लोग थे वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट लग रहे होते थे. अभी जो है I do feel कि everybody looks kind of the same. Like I can't tell.
I was having a
can't
conversation. I did a podcast with one of my other a friend, Dr. Ikra, and she and I were also discussing the same thing कि यहाँ पे ये बड़ा मसला है कि आपके कोई एक दोस्त एक चीज करवा ले या आपकी कोई कजन करवा ले तो दे से कि okay, if she got lip fillers done, I also want lip fillers without thinking कि whether that would actually suit her or not.
Yeah. I mean, you're trying to make your face look nice, you know. So whatever is needed, of course, do it. If you have a terrible nose, जा कभी तोड़ के नहीं लगा दो नाक, you know क्या हुआ? If you can afford it, why not? But ये तो नहीं ना कि. And it was so funny. One of my friends, he's like a plastic surgeon, so he's just like, "मन्ने में तुम्हारी नाक जो है ना ऐसी मैंने कब कोई मेरी नाक की तुम तस्वीर लेकर किसी की नाक में लगाओगे?" You know, so you know, like it's like everybody's like somebody is like मुझे some actor की तरह बना दें, मुझे इस actor की ये भी तो बहुत होता है ना. So it's like ठीक है, skin retinol तक रखते हैं, niacinamide and ordinary तक, but it has gone way past, you know, way past. मतलब कि बाल भी सबके एक जैसे. एंड लिटरली सिट्रस टैलेंट से जब पिक्चर्स आती थी, आई वाज लाइक कि ये जब लड़कियां आती थी ऑन सेट, आई वाज लाइक बट ये तो ये नहीं लगती है. हाँ, कौन है? I was like, but who is this girl? You know, like who have you sent? I couldn't recognize them. So I think it just kind of like went to another extreme. Very quickly.
Yeah, absolutely. Another thing that really inspired me, Manne, is your sleeping habits. I think you have a beautiful skin, so your sleeping habits have really plays a big part in that, a big role in that, because you don't stay late nights. You have not come to see me and you have declined my dinners many times, and you've said no, this is the time. And I remember last time you came to my house for dinner and your alarm went off and you said, oh, ye mere sone ka time hai, mera phone mujhe. So I was like, wow, you know. So how does that help you? Do you actually sleep ya tum hamesha marti ho alarm baja ke?
I mean, I don't know, my brain can't work.
After certain hours?
After certain hours, and quite honestly, like if I don't get my 8 hours sleep, I mean, shooting में मुश्किल था, you know, shooting में बहुत मुश्किल था, because we would get off like, अगर हम सुबह के 5 बजे गाड़ी आई है या 4 बजे गाड़ी आई है और आप रात के 11 बजे घर पहुंच रहे हैं, तो मुझे सिर्फ 5 घंटे मिल रहे हैं सोने के ना. तो फिर मैं गाड़ी में सो जाती थी. मगर वो मुझे होता था कि 8 घंटे मुझे पूरे करने हैं. Like I can't function. Like so I really cannot. I mean, I don't know. Like I wouldn't give this credit to myself कि ये मैं बड़ा वो कर रही हूँ. I really cannot function. And I think because I'm going through perimenopause, so something very difficult happened with me कि मुझे मैं रात के 3 बजे मैं बिल्कुल उल्लू की तरह उठ जाती हूँ. Even though मैंने कहा मैं मेरी नींद नहीं हो रही है, मैं स्कूल की जॉब कर लेती हूँ. मैंने स्कूल की जॉब की, मैंने कहा उससे मैं थक जाऊंगी. मैंने ट्रेनर हायर किया बहुत अच्छा वाला, like जिम में ट्रेन कर रही हूँ 1 घंटे के लिए. आई थॉट कि इससे थक जाऊंगी, सब कुछ कर वर्क के फिर भी मैं मिडल ऑफ द नाइट उठ जा रही हूँ. So that really bothered me for 2 years.
कि मेरी क्यों आँख खुल रही है?
क्यों आँख खुल रही है?
And did you see a difference in your skin? When you felt कि like past 1 month मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हो रही है and it's affected my skin. And sometimes you say कि oh, I slept so well. I know when we sleep so well, when I go to bed early and I wake up, my skin looks beautiful. So did you ever feel because of your work routines, shoots and stuff, तो तुम्हें कभी-कभी देर से सोना, हमने like people say मैंने पूरा हफ्ता shoot किया है और मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है. How has that affected your skin?
I'll tell you what, like since I've stopped working, I can honestly see a difference. Because I'm not like, even though I would be like अगर मैं sunblock लगा रही हूँ, मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मैं वो कर रही हूँ, but now I make sure कि I don't leave the house because I'm not working. I paint at home, so now I'm just like, okay, I'm going to leave the house for any errands after 5 o'clock. So usse I can actually see. It's the first time in my life, like I've been working since I was 17, so it's the first time in my life where I feel like I don't really need to do anything. Like, you know, पहले जो पूरा skin routine था, सब कोई अब कोई as such कोई routine नहीं है, you know, except like a skin cream or a little bit of like, you know,
hydration.
yeah, just little. But yeah, it does make a difference because
It does.
obviously, you know, you're running around, you're facing the sun and there's a dust and everything. But in the night, I make sure I wash my face no matter what. You know, when you're younger, you're going out so much, right?
हाँ, क्या हम ऐसे ही सो जाते थे.
हाँ, ऐसे like पूरे makeup के साथ सो जाते थे यार. I can't believe this. And then you
How
know,
bad do you think that is to sleep with your makeup on?
I'm horrified.
है ना?
I could have had a phase 8
You feel
में
guilty in the morning.
बहुत ज़्यादा. I think मेरे phase 8 में 2000 गज का एक पूरा घर होता. ये जितने मैंने पैसे खर्च किए अपने skin care उसमें, you know, buying the whole range.
Yeah.
मतलब क्या सोच रहे थे यार?
So do you feel, how would you compare looking after your skin with being regular for the gym and having plenty of water and with your diet, and if you, let's say if you're on junk food but you are using expensive products,
Okay.
how would you compare that? Do you think even if somebody has a bad lifestyle, does not sleep on time, stays late night, puts on a lot of makeup, goes to sleep with the makeup, but uses a good skincare line and an expensive skincare line like you're saying, would that help them?
Yeah, it does.
It does.
That's why you do it. Like you go to aesthetic clinics because you've had such a crazy life. I mean, like all the celebrities, their skin is like amazing, right? Like why is that?
Yeah.
Because ज़ाहिर बात है ना उनकी ज़िंदगियाँ इतनी crazy होती हैं, so they charge enough to be able to come to aesthetic clinics like yours, you know, and within a day, they like the second day they're like blooming, you know. Yeah, so it can be done. I'm not saying I was working in Dubai from 5 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock at night. तो जाहिर सी बात है ना, मुझे I had to pay that money for my skin.
What
So
difference did you feel because Dubai is so hot?
Yeah.
Like I remember I started working for a clinic in Dubai 2 years ago, and I felt devastated. I couldn't go out for my walks. The air quality there and the sun which is constantly on your head. Even रात को 12 बजे भी आप बाहर walk नहीं कर सकते हैं because इतना गंदा weather होता है वहाँ का.
Yeah.
So how do you feel ये जो दुबई का weather इतना खराब होता है? What difference did you feel when you shifted back to Karachi? And how did you have to look after your skin? किस लेवल पे तुमको करना पड़ता था when you were in Dubai and then when you came back to Karachi?
See, in Dubai, there's AC everywhere, okay, which really, really is bad for your skin because वो तो पूरा ही आपको जो है ना वो आपका सारा moisture जो जज़्ब कर लेता है. Okay, so उधर तो I think आपके skin और बाल बहुत ही खराब हो जाते हैं. Like, how do you maintain it?
And the water is also kind of
terrible. And like, how do you even have good food there? You know, like after a while I started living on my own over there, and then रात को मैं स्पिनी से जाकर कुछ खरीद लेती थी and आके जो है बना लिया और खा लिया. मतलब you know, it was difficult like with your job, focus on the food, and I think that's why I decided to shift. In my 20s, I was like, you know,
you were done with the weather.
I was like, ये नहीं और ये जिंदगी तो नहीं हो सकती ना.
Yeah.
कि आप बस like स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद रहे हैं और सैलून्स जा रहे हैं, अपने बाल ब्लो ड्राई करा रहे हैं, और you know, organically you need to live. So I feel in Pakistan I like the weather for my skin. I think it keeps it nice, and you have fresh vegetables, juices. हर रोज सैलेड बना के बंदा खुद भी खा सकता है बना के. You know, like we are so fortunate. इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है.
इतना नहीं है.
Yeah.
But how do you feel like, because you've been in the media and you've worked, you've acted, you've been a stylist to so many celebrities. Abhi to chalo theek hai, you're saying that there are so many aesthetic clinics and they reach out to them, and you're saying most of the celebrities look the same because like we just discussed. But back then, 20 years ago, when you were working in the media, how do you think the celebrities, and you yourself was a celebrity at that time, I remember, how did you guys look after your skins at that time? Apart from drinking plenty of water, उस वक्त तो इतनी awareness नहीं थी creams के बारे में.
Yeah.
तो what did you see at that time कि celebrities जो तुम्हारी friends थी या तुम्हारे co-stars थे, what challenges were they going through?
I think, you know, honestly speaking, we
or did they not care?
No. So, like, funny enough, like the friend circle I have, it's we actually have that in common. That's how we became friends.
Really?
Yeah, and now they're all actors. But at that time, our main conversation was अच्छा बाल के लिए क्या करें, कौन सा तेल डाल दें,
Yeah.
you know, हम अच्छा अभी हम ये पता नहीं इसके अंदर जीरा डाल के तो इलायची डाल के तो ये डाल के वो डाल के, you know, like
Yeah.
our main conversation was that, and that's why we became friends, because this is a value which is with all
और
of us.
herbal masks.
Yeah, हर वक्त this was
मुल्तानी मट्टी वाला मास्क हम लगाते
exactly
थे.
this was a fun time.
Yes.
You know, when we're spending time with each other, it's like we're doing facials and we're doing this
Putting
and that.
cucumbers on our eyes.
Yeah. मतलब कि besides products,
Yeah.
everything was used, like
Yes.
पूरा fridge.
Yes.
I think for me, I would say the minute I was born, उसके बाद मैंने खाना fridge से कम खाया है, सर पे और मुंह पे ज्यादा
लगाया है
Yeah,
खाना.
and usually would all come. So,
Okay,
but that helps.
Yeah, that helps. And
I still do it.
now that I'm talking to you right now, I'm recalling कि you're absolutely right. हम लोग घर में कितने सारे herbal masks वगैरह
Yeah.
and दादी नानी के नुस्खे करते थे. And
अंडा फेंट के सर पे लगा लिया,
yes.
दही लगा लिया.
lot of times.
Yeah, you know, even with skin, I mean, like I right now I do castor oil.
Yes.
So at night I just kind of like I do face
It
massage.
helps
okay?
you.
I do face massage with castor oil. It's very simple things I'm telling you, and sunblock.
Yeah.
And also like washing my face nicely with a nice face wash. You know, so just simple
What's that
things.
one serum that you feel everybody should be using?
You
That
know,
one serum. Are you into serums?
I am, but I'm just
That
going
one
to
particular that you would advise your celebrity friends and yourself that you have never left it.
I use Kiehl's.
Okay.
I use Kiehl's.
No, is it a vitamin C serum that you're more
it's,
into, or is it hyaluronic?
I mean, just a retinol. So I would buy all of them, but like, you know, अगर कोई खत्म भी हो रहा है तो फिर, you know, I'm just like, okay, niacinamide is there,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
like all of these things. Yeah, so all of these things.
The basic
Yeah,
ingredients
retinol
that
is
helps you
good.
with the cell turnover, you would use
Yeah, retinol is good. I think like even retinol,
Yeah.
ordinary ka,
Yeah.
I feel it's a good brand. Yeah.
Which brand do you feel you see in all of your celebrity friends? से सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा brand तुमको उनके bags में नजर आता है?
I would say ordinary.
Ordinary नजर आता है.
Everybody
Okay.
has like it's
Yeah.
become like quite popular.
And what's
like,
one treatment you feel your celebrity friends are completely into it?
Oh my god.
Anyone that you know overheard them talking about all the time and you feel like ये सब तो यही करवाती हैं. What's that one treatment?
Like they do hydrofacial.
Hydrofacials.
Yeah, HIFU, hydrofacial.
That's why you come to me just for hydrofacials. And
No,
I'm always telling you, Mani, ये कराओ, but
know
you like
because
hydra कर दो.
I know because like they really take care a lot,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. That's part
So,
of their lifestyle and
exactly.
their job. Yeah.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Mane. You know, amazing, lovely conversation. And my viewers, I'm sure, must have enjoyed your convo because I love the way you talk and keep everybody engaged whenever even we're sitting in groups.
Oh, that's sweet.
So thank you so much for coming. And we'll have to call you again, though. We'll find some interesting topic to speak on. And next time we want you to speak more about skin.
Okay.
Yes. I know you know a lot about skincare, but I also like the fact that you stay away from, you know, a lot of invasive treatments. And I appreciate that you look after yourself through exercise and plenty of water and a good sleep and applying the basic serums, like you said, retinol and a sunblock. You know, you stick to, and like you said, कि fridge में जो खाना होता है वो मैं खाती कम हूँ, लगाती ज़्यादा हूँ. So that's amazing. That's amazing. I'm sure a lot of people are by now inspired by you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mane. Lovely talking to you today.
Thank you.